I don't care anymore. Alright. Oh shit, I can't see. Alright, so I spoiled myself this Christmas and I decided to get a new camera. And it's fucking expensive. Now I needed to upgrade my camera because I was using the 6D Mark II. That thing only runs 1920 by 1080 video, and I needed a more hybrid camera, I guess. So yeah. Alright. Warranty cards. Damn, that's a thick ass book. Now, the only thing I'm worried about this camera is the overheating issues that it's been having, apparently. But apparently they had the firmware update, which is supposed to help. Well, let's fucking hope it does help. Yeah, that's fucking sick. Looks like a fucking Audi for some reason. That's pretty nice. Where we have the fucking warning. It says, I mean, you can't see it, but it says caution, screen storage compartment may get hot, because it will get fucking hot. Now I can't really test this because I don't have an adapter mount, because I only have EF mount lenses, but I can turn it on. So we'll see. It's so light, holy shit. Now they finally have a dual card slot, which, to be honest, I don't really care. Like, I've always used one card slot and it's always been fine. Just don't drop your camera. I feel like that's pretty common. But since it has two, why not use two? Holy. Now, yeah, again, I can't test this because fucking Henry is taking forever to ship that adapter. So this will be two-parter. Peace. Okay, so a couple days ago, I got the Canon R6 recently to upgrade from the 6D Mark II. So I got the EOS EF to R mount from Henry's. I bought it, and I bought it at the same time when I got the R6. I thought it would come at the same time, and I've been checking my email, keeping up with Henry's, and they're still back ordered. Like, they still don't have it in stock. So I decided to get two third-party EOS EF to R mount, and first one is the Comlite, and the second one is the JJC. I know the Canon mount is great, but I needed a quick mount because I have a job in a couple days and I'm gonna test out the EOS R6, and there's still a learning curve that I need to learn with this camera. So I needed to practice, so I decided to grab these guys because it just, for Amazon, it takes a day to ship here, so it's perfect time. So today I'm just going to test out the autofocus system with the photo and video for this camera and for this mounts, and hopefully when I get the Canon one I can test it out with these guys and see which one's better, because to be honest, it's the battle between these two, whichever one performs better, I'm gonna return, because I don't need to. I only have one camera right now. So yeah. That's the setup. All right. I don't know what to say, Miguel. What do you say? This is my and we're gonna test out these stupid ass adapters that I got from Amazon. $173, $179. Let's see which one works best. There's a bit of a crop. God damn you, Canon!
Because of this is just for video in general.
Yeah, there's a bit of a crop when you go from 4K. There's like 1 point something crop. But that's fine. Canon just being Canon. Alright, that's it for this video. I mean, no, it's not done.
For this segment.
For this part, yeah. Alright, so I just finished shooting some portraits and video with Michaela.
Oh, you're starting.
Yeah, it's right
Start
there.
over.
Why?
Because I'm in the shot.
That's okay. This is not serious, Michaela.
No, it isn't.
Nothing serious. I can speak about Mark 42. Shit. Alright,
Because
let's.
if you have DOC.
Yo, facts. Pro tip: don't forget to organize your shit before you start working on your shit.
That's a big tip.
It's a pro tip. Organization is key, guys.
Good.
Or guy. If there's one person just watching, imagine. Yo, for you, that one person there, that's all I need. It's me watching. Oh, fuck. Alright. So, I kind of forgot which one I shot with. And this will just, it was no scientific test or whatever. This is really just, yeah, that light is so loud. So this is just like going off to what I experienced during the shoot and what I think of it. And to be honest, I don't know. Okay, well, one, I guess I'll list up the things that I don't like. With the Comlite, when you put it on, let's just do it. When you put it on the body, so you line it up, obviously, white, do that red thing, and it would snap on. But as soon as you try to unmount it, it would go past that color label thing. So it'd go all the way like that. Which is, I don't know if that's supposed to be normal or not, but... So I don't like that. And I think that's gonna break my camera. It's actually already scratching my fucking thing. So I don't think that's a no for me. I think Comlite is shit. But with this guy, it works how it's supposed to work. It stops. But then I don't know what the deal is with that. If you all know, or somebody fucking knows what this is, tell me. Because, oh shit. Because the Comlite seems to be wider. There's nothing on top there. But with the JGC adapter, there's something on top. I don't know what to believe. I'm gonna pick the JGC. One, because it doesn't break or scratch my camera. Two, it doesn't go over. And three, it has my initials. So, number three is the most important. It's all about the look, guys. It's how it makes you look. Camera equipments are just toys and accessories. And I like them. Both of them look the same, and both of them perform the same, to be honest. When I got too close to Michaela and it pulled out, it's like the focus was a bit slow, and that was for both of them. So I don't know. I have nothing to compare it with since I don't have the Canon manufactured adapter. So we'll see once I have that. Once Henry's actually shipped mine already. So, oh hi Roseanne.
Oh shit.
No, you're good. I don't care. But yeah, that's all. Yeah, Henry's better start fucking sponsoring me. Swear to God. Oh my god. It'd be so funny if I get like canceled or reported. I'll get fucked. Because that's the life motto, guys. Just stop giving a fuck. That's facts. Hopefully. Alright, well, yeah. That's it. That's all. Peace, love, unity. Yeah, fuck.